Hey everyone, welcome back. It's been a minute since I last posted a video, so I've decided to do a room tour and share my space with everyone. I am no longer in Boston, I am now in beautiful LA and I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. So when you walk in, this is what you see. It's a pretty big room. We'll start with the bathroom. And I like things to be very simple. So on the counter, I have a pineapple, a silver Buddha head, and this is like the best thing in the world. It's so easy to use. And this says, enjoy the little things. So my bathroom is all white and silver. And it has like bomb lighting in here. So on this nightstand, I have lamps on both ends, and which I never use, honestly. And I have this little Buddha and this necklace that Bae got for me. This is the bed. It's a king bed. It's huge and I take up like this much of it. Cool thing about this bed is that it lights up, and that's part of the bed. So as you can see, my room is all pinks and grays and silvers, and I like to mix up the shade. Everything that you see here, the bedding, the throw pillow, the throw blanket, this is all from Homegoods. And I love it. I love these pillows because they're also sparkly. I don't know if you can tell. This nightstand, I have the same lamp, and I have the bosses right here. It's a picture of my mom and my dad, and it's seriously like I miss them because they're in Boston, I'm in LA, but they're goals to me. Like, they're so cute. And this elephant I got from, I think I got this one from Marshall's, and it's an elephant, two elephants, a mom and a daughter. My mom is obsessed with elephants, which is why I like elephants. And this is my vanity chair that I got from Homegoods. So this is my Buddha. I also got him from Homegoods. And if you're looking for anything like this, now is the time to do it. He's actually supposed to be like out on the patio or something, but I like to keep him in my room. And this necklace, I don't know where else to put it. So this is my mirror. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it before. I got this mirror from Homegoods. I think it was about $70. And I'm telling you guys, do not sleep on Homegoods. So it's like a rusty silver wood frame. And in this room, this is my walk-in closet. So as some of you may know, I am a nanny, so Ayla made this for me for Mother's Day. And on the back it says, thank you for taking care of me and making my hair and for the hugs. And it's so sweet. what is facing my bed, and I have my TV and this dresser that I got from IKEA. So in here I have 2 crystals. Look, you see that? $20. You go to Z Gallery and buy this for like $60 or something. But I have 2 crystals, and this one is like the love crystal. It's supposed to bring love into your life, and I'm all about energy. I pick up on energy very easily. So with my room, I just feel like it's important that my room is me, and that it's very zen and calming, and it's like my getaway, my oasis. Stepping onto the balcony, this is my favorite part of my bedroom. This view is incredible. The sun sets on this side of the house, so I find the lighting is always amazing, especially during the golden hour.